If your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset is not connecting, glitching, or just acting weird, don't worry. Fixing it is easier than you think. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to reset it properly so you can get back to gaming without the frustration. Let's jump right in. Before anything, make sure your Stealth 500 headset is powered on. The fastest reset method is simple. Press and hold the quick switch button and the mode button at the same time. Keep holding them for about 10 seconds. When you release, the headset should shut off and automatically restart. If you see it reboot, you'll know the reset worked. But if your headset is still giving you trouble, there's a second reset you can try. Turn the headset back on, then press and hold the mode button and the Bluetooth button together for 10 seconds. Again, once you release, the headset should reboot on its own. This deeper reset often fixes stubborn connection or audio issues. After resetting, don't forget, you'll need to reconnect the headset to your console, PC, or phone. This is normal, so just pair it again like you did the first time. One more important tip, plug your headset into a computer and open the Turtle Beach Audio Hub. Check for any available firmware updates. Keeping the firmware up to date can fix hidden bugs, improve stability, and make the headset run smoother overall. And that's it. A quick and easy way to reset your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 and get it working like new again. If this guide helped you out, feel free to stick around for more simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.